Hello everybody and welcome back. So glad you could join me again. I thought I'd share my summer favourites with you because it's really hot out, and I don't know about you, but during the summer I change my products from winter to summer, and I thought I'd share mine with you. So I just love the Body Shop, and I use a lot of their products because they're so natural and they smell divine. And at the moment I'm using this strawberry hand wash and this strawberry hand cream, and I keep going like this to everybody to smell my hand, and they're like, that smell is so nice, what is it, we want to go and get it. So if you've not tried these strawberry products from the Body Shop, I really recommend them. They just, oh God, they make your hands smell absolutely beautiful, and for hours as well. So that's one of my favourite products this summer. Really good strawberry hand wash and hand cream for the summer. My other product is the Pacifica Seafoam Face Wash that I love to use, but I up it to the quinoa sensitive one from Pacifica, especially if my face is feeling extra dry and it just needs a little bit more help. That's that one. I actually prefer the smell of the seafoam one, but if it's really dry, yeah, I'll go for the quinoa. So my other product is an eye cream which I found off Amazon, and it's this No Wrinkles Eye Repair Cream, and it's got retinol in it. It's that one. And when you open it up, it's just like this, and for me it really works. It's a nice creamy consistency, and it's good for this time of year as well, but it's got a little bit of retinol in it, and a bit expensive off Amazon, but you only need a tiny bit, but that is really good for the delicate eye area, and I have to be really delicate around my eyes because they're quite thin, and so this really works for me. So my next one is, I never really go and get my teeth whitened. I just really try and work on my teeth myself, and I give them a good brush a couple of times a day, and I do go for Whitening Toothpaste, but I found the best one for me is this one by a Swiss Dent, and it's Extreme Whitening Toothpaste. Now you can get that off of Amazon, and it is pretty expensive. It's about almost £20. You only need a little bit though, so it lasts ages, but it does work for me. It's got mixed reviews off of Amazon, but for me it works. It works for some people, other people don't really notice much of a difference, but I'm really happy with this. And if I use other toothpastes, I'm never as happy as when I use this Swiss Dent. So I think I probably buy a couple of these a year. So for me, it is worth it. And I never get my teeth whitened, as I said. So I do like to go for the toothpaste, the whitening toothpastes. But this one, if you want to give it a go, I do recommend it. That's that Swiss Dent Extreme Whitening Toothpaste. I get mine off Amazon. My other product is again from the Body Shop, and it's this vitamin C for dull, tired and grumpy skin. The smell is absolutely out of this world, and every time I go into the shop they always sell out. I can never get it, or if I go online it's always out of stock. So if I do go into a shop and they do have it, I literally buy quite a few. I know it's a bit greedy, but I have to stock up because this stuff is really good for the face. It really is a pick-me-up for dull, tired and grumpy skin. I really love it, and it works for me. It must work for a lot of other people as well because it's always out of stock. My last products before I go on to my kabuki brushes that I ordered off of Amazon, which I'm really over the moon with, are these shower gel and body lotion, and it's by Corres. Okay, that was the ice cream van, really noisy, so I had to be quiet. think I could do with an ice cream, it's so hot. But as I was saying, it's by Corries and it's a shower gel and body cream, and I get the shower gel again online from Amazon, and I get a few of them, and it is a Greek shower gel, comes from Greece, and it's all natural and it's basil and lemon. And when I use this, my whole house smells of lemon for ages, and everyone comes in and says, what is that smell? It's absolutely gorgeous, but I keep it a secret, but I'm sharing it with you. And the other day I was in Sainsbury's and I found the body lotion to it, so I picked that up as well. But out of the two, I definitely recommend the shower gel. Your whole house will smell of lemons, you'll smell of lemons for ages, and it's just gorgeous. So natural. It's a lovely lemony, zesty smell. My favourite shower gel. I needed to update my makeup brushes, and I was looking around online and I found this. And it was reduced from almost £60 to under £20, and it's a real bargain. Lamora Kabuki brush set. Really good quality and rivals any professional brushes. And just open it like that, and this is the colour I got, this sort of blush pink. They do hot pink or black, but I really fancied this sort of blush pink colour. And they're so nice, they're so lovely and soft, and definitely rival professional brushes, and you get all kinds in there. So that purchase I'm really pleased with, and I just ordered them off of Amazon. And Kabuki brush set, they have a lot of reviews, and really good reviews, and they're just selling so many of them. I think the Kabuki brushes are really good. They give you a nice flawless look, and I do have other kinds of brushes, but it is always worth it having the Kabuki brush in. So just a quick video of my summer favourites. I hope you're having a really good summer and you're having a great time. Thank you for joining me, and I shall see you next time.